So once we have our scratch test done, we can move on to loading our machine with the tools. And being this floor had very hard concrete, we are going to use some single puck 16 grit soft. This big machine requires 9 diamonds. Pretty simple process. There's a magnet, you just pop them in. Moving to our little edge grinder, little 9-inch. That requires 3 diamonds. So we're going to use the same grit, same style. They're just buttons. 16 grit for hard concrete, soft bond. Okay, we are ready.